Hey guys, it's Autumn with KAJ Bath and Body, and I have a really quick soap decorating video for you this week. I made these soap donuts and they smell amazing. They're scented with apple mango tango, and I am decorating them with mermaid tails and seashells and lots of cute, girly, frilly things. So this isn't a tutorial. This is just you checking out how I decorate these. If you would like me to make a tutorial on how to make these soap bars from start to finish, just let me know down in the comments, and I would love to go through and I'll make you a whole video and show you how I put these together. Okay, so this is a quick video. I hope you enjoy it. The actual soap donuts themselves were super easy to make. They were my regular recipe, and I just had a silicone donut mold and just filled those up and shook them out to level them out so they're nice and smooth. And then I let those sit overnight, pop them out of the mold, and then my decorations are made from melt and pour soap. So those are really cute and easy to make. You just pop them out of their individual molds. They take nothing but a few moments. And I wanted these to be very dainty and frilly, so I used very small different molds so the decorations were more delicate. My soap frosting is nothing special. It is my normal soap recipe that I just let sit until it becomes a pipeable consistency. So nothing too complicated, nothing too hard. This was just more of a fun project. You really can just let your imagination go wild and put whatever you want on these. So it's a fun project and it's very cute and I like it. So I did add a few decorations that weren't made of soap. Some gold jojoba beads and some pink sugar pearls, a little bit of glitter, you know, the regular stuff. Okay, so this video is really short. It was just more of a little, it's a little video showing you decorating some soap donuts. This is the first time I've ever made these. They were really fun. I think I might have got the soap donut bug. I think I'm gonna make a lot more. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this from me. I appreciate you checking out this one, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, thank you. Bye.